Hey guys, this is just a quick video to show how to change your YouTube URL should you ever want to or need to for whatever reason. The process is only a couple of steps really, it only takes a couple of minutes. So let's go ahead and jump right over to my computer and we'll take a look at how to do this. Okay guys, so here we are on, this is actually my second channel where I talk mostly about my medical stuff, that kind of thing. And you can see that I've got this URL up here that's, youtube.com/DavidBurgessVlogs. And that's fine, but maybe for some reason I don't want that anymore, or whatever the case may be, just to show you, I can hit enter there and it'll refresh. And that works, that URL is just fine. Let's actually shut me up there. Let's say for instance I wanted to change that URL to be something more like, youtube.com/dbmedstuff. That seems more appropriate and it's a little shorter, I think. So if I hit that, 404 not found, can't use it. So here's what we're going to do to try to make that available. This is just the easiest way I've found to do it. There's probably a dozen different ways to get to where we're going, but this is just how I've found the easiest way for me to get to where I want to be. So what I want to do is actually hover over my channel icon right here. I'm going to click that and it's going to say, hey, your channel icon comes from your Google account. Changes may take a few minutes to show on your channel. Okay, fine. So we'll go ahead and click edit there. And then I'm actually just going to close out of that because I don't want to change this image. It's fine, I guess. But what you'll see right here is sites, and then you should see custom URLs under that. If we click on edit, and then we've got this custom URLs here. It says release a custom URL to disable it and remove it from your account. So right now, again, it's youtube.com/C for channel /DavidBurgessVlogs. And again, I don't want that anymore. So it's going to say, are you sure you want to remove that custom URL? If you proceed to the URL, David Burgess Vlogs, it will no longer direct you to your YouTube channel. If you'd still like to create your custom URL, you'll need to go to YouTube to claim a new one. So we'll go ahead and click OK. Okay, so the next step that we're going to use here is actually going to go back to, our YouTube channel. So we'll go to youtube.com and then we'll just go to the dashboard here. This should be good enough for what we want to do. And what we'll do next is we'll actually click on our image up at the top right. We're going to click this gear right here for YouTube settings. And then we'll go over to advanced settings over here on the left side. And if your channel is eligible for a custom URL, you can go ahead and claim it here. Now you'll see that it's only got a couple of options here. It's got whatever the name of my channel is, or the name of my channel and a suffix. So maybe I want something other than David Burgess Vlogs in my URL. There's one more step that we'll have to change, or have to make that change here. So what I'm going to do is actually click cancel. And then what I'll do is I'll come back to here, and what I've actually got to do is change this back on this page that we were on originally. So if I click the pencil right here, and then if I change this to something like DB med stuff, and click OK, and then if I refresh, let's make sure that actually takes. DB med stuff, click OK. There we go. So now it's taken. You might have to do that a couple of times to get it to go. But now it says, DB med stuff here, and that's fine. So then if I come back to here, and let's go ahead and refresh this page just to make sure. Again, this is under that advanced settings that we found by clicking our icon up at the top right. If I go ahead and click on, where it says you're eligible for a custom URL, I click here. Now you can see that I've got some different options, like DB med stuff is an option, David Burgess Vlogs is still an option, or I can add a suffix to that DB med stuff. So if I wanted to, I can go ahead and click I have read and agreed to the terms, and click change URL. Saying, are you sure you want to do that? Yes, I am. So once I get myself to shut up here in this window, hopefully, maybe, there we go. So now I should be able to come up to here and type in DB med stuff and click enter. And there we go. Okay, so like I said, only a couple of steps, only a couple of minutes, not too difficult at all to change your URL, as long as you're willing to change your site name as well. I think they're doing that just to make sure that you're not doing anything fishy, trying to switch things up on people, that kind of thing. So again, super easy, super quick. So if you found the video helpful, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up, would really help me out a bunch. But I think I'm going to go ahead and make this a super short, quick video. As always, thanks for your time. I always appreciate your support, and I'll talk to you in the next video.